Title: Dʒɛm, the beauty in Earth's crust. Meaning: today, we're uncovering the word dʒɛm. A dʒɛm is a precious or semi-precious stone or mineral that's valued for its rarity, beauty, and often used in jewelry. Gems are nature's treasures hidden within the Earth's crust. Pronunciation: pronouncing dʒɛm is simple, dʒɛm, with a soft G and a short E. Use in a sentence. For example, the engagement ring sparkled with a stunning gem at its center, a symbol of love and commitment. Importance: gems have fascinated humanity for centuries. They hold cultural and emotional significance, making them not just beautiful, but also meaningful. Conclusion: in summary, dʒɛm is a word that represents nature's artistry and human creativity, in turning these precious stones into symbols of beauty and sentiment. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the gems in your life, both the literal and the metaphorical ones.